All right, that install took nothing, only a couple minutes, and this table is absolutely gorgeous. All right, I grabbed some of my wife's things to show as a reference. Thought you might like to see how it looks. So this thing, it's a nice looking table for sure. Hey folks, I'm Steve, and this is the Winsome Alamo double drop leaf table, and this is how it's going to come to you. I've gone ahead and unboxed everything, and this is what comes in the box. The nice thing about this one is there's only 4 screws, and they give you an Allen wrench. Only 4 screws, it could not be any easier. All right, that install took nothing, only a couple minutes, and this table is absolutely gorgeous. My wife's not here right now, but when she gets home, she is going to be very happy about this. Let me try to give you a closer look at this. This is solid, and it looks just really, really nice. All right, let me show you the underside as best I can. Now, of course, this is kind of unfinished under here. That's not gonna look real nice there, but everything else just is stellar. This is really pretty, really nice. And everything, all indications to me are that this is well built and definitely high quality. It's a fairly heavy table. It's solid, so you're getting some pretty good quality here. And if you love wood furniture like we do, you'll appreciate this. Let me show you how to drop the leaf tables. You simply raise it up a little bit, and then this will slide, and you just drop it down. So just raise this a little bit, slide that leg stand, drop the leaf, and it's good to go. Space saver. Now I know you're going to want some measurements, so let's give you some real world measurements. The depth or the length of this table is 42 inches, and with the leaves dropped down from the edge of the leaf to the edge of the leaf is 14 inches. Let's do some more measuring. So across the table, you are looking at 42 inches, just like we measured a second ago. And from the bottom to the top is about 29.5 inches. Now here's just a standard kitchen chair. I just want to show you as a reference. Just like normal. All right, I grabbed some of my wife's things to show as a reference. Thought you might like to see how it looks. So this thing, it's a nice looking table for sure. Well, I'm giving this table a thumbs up and a recommend. So if you're looking at this table, I hope you found this video helpful.